In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recall an email in Zoho Mail. Whether you're looking to stop a message from reaching someone's inbox due to a last-minute correction or simply second-guessing your decision to send, Zoho Mail has a convenient feature that allows you to recall your emails within a short time frame. Let's walk through the process together. First, you need to navigate to your settings in Zoho Mail. You'll find this option by looking for the gear icon, usually located in the top right corner of the page. Once you've clicked on Settings, you will see a variety of options on the left-hand side, but you'll want to focus on Compose options. This section is where you'll find all the settings related to composing and sending your emails. As you scroll through the Compose options, look for the section labeled Undo Send. This feature is your tool for recalling an email right after it has been sent. By default, this may not be activated or might be set to a minimal delay, so it's important to customize this option according to your needs. Here, you can set a delay time ranging from 5 to 30 seconds. Consider how much time you might need to rethink your decision. Setting a higher delay, like 20 to 30 seconds, can give you a comfortable buffer to react before the email is permanently sent. Once you have set your desired delay period, you're all set to utilize this useful feature. When you finish composing an email and hit the Send button, an undo banner will appear briefly at the bottom or top of your email interface. It's important to note that this banner is only visible for the duration you have set in the delay. During this brief window, you have the opportunity to click on the Undo option, which will prevent the email from being sent. Doing so will save the email as a draft instead, allowing you to review and make any necessary changes before deciding to send it again or discard it altogether. This feature is particularly helpful when you quickly realize you've forgotten an important attachment, noticed a typo, or realize the message was intended for a different recipient. By having the Undo Send option enabled, you'll have that extra time to correct these mistakes without having to worry about the consequences of sending an incomplete or erroneous email. That's it. A simple yet powerful way to control your outgoing messages and prevent any premature sends. We hope you find this feature as helpful as we do. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.